Mark Zimmer has been an athlete all his life, but when he began experiencing weakness in his legs and tripping over his feet, he knew something wasn't right.
I'm basically being turned into a statue. Every day, little by little, I lose a little something.
Mark was diagnosed with ALS, a degenerative neurological disease without a cure. It's one of a wide spectrum of disorders that cause damage in the central nervous system, ranging from multiple sclerosis and Alzheimer's disease to spinal cord injuries and stroke, all of which have extremely limited treatment options.
Those nerve fibers do not regenerate in human beings. There usually is a permanent dying back of the nerve fibers, and there really is no recovery.
But researchers at the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center are one step closer to changing that. In a new study, they discovered a novel immune cell that not only preserves nerve fibers, but can even reverse nerve damage and restore function.
It doubles the number of surviving nerves, and it also stimulates a significant number of them to begin regenerating new fibers or growing new fibers.
Researchers predict this will lead to previously unheard of recovery in patients and new therapeutic breakthroughs for a wide range of neurological diseases and injuries.
I treat patients who have permanent neurological deficits, and they have to deal with a whole range of symptoms every day. And the idea of being able to restore neurological function is really amazing.
These research doctors are sincere, humble, and extremely brave with the amount of time and effort that they put into trying to unlock the mysteries of this diabolical disease.